Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the SolarPunk game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off hints and tutorials within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SolarPunk game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu. Now you may continue playing from wherever you last left off, and if you wish to increase your difficulty by turning off the tutorials and hints, then simply go ahead and click on Settings. Now within the Settings tab, you will need to go into the General option, and here you can find the Show Tutorial setting. By using the left and right arrows, you can either show or hide the tutorials within the game. Once you have chosen your option, go ahead and click on Save and Back, which will save your changes. You can then start your game or continue to play with your chosen tutorial and hints setting. You can change this at any point of time by once again following the same steps, going into Settings, and from the General tab, you can once again choose to show your tutorial. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable hints and tutorials on the SolarPunk game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.